If you want to preserve your most cherished memories on your iPhone, you need space. Space is being taken up by a lot of junk, from duplicate photos to videos you don't even watch anymore. Hey there guys, welcome to Applavia, and today we're going to check out the Cleaner app, an app that can help you free up space on your iPhone.
To download the app, go to the App Store and look up Cleaner for iPhone and then install it. You can also find the download link in the description below. When you open the app, you can see how much of your phone's memory is being used up. To free up space on your iPhone, simply tap on Easy Clean. Here, you'll see a list of options such as similar photos and videos. Let's check out similar photos, for instance. Then, you'll see a list of all the photos that have duplicates. Simply select the ones you want to remove, tap on Delete Selected, then Delete. If you want to remove videos that take up a lot of space, in the Easy Clean option, select Video. Then choose a large video, tap on Clean Storage, and delete it. But what if there's a large video you don't want to delete? Thankfully, the app comes with a compression tool. On the home menu, tap on Compress, and select the video you want to compress. Choose the target compression quality and check the compressed size. Then just tap on Compress Video and confirm. After compressing the video, you can either keep or remove the original video. So just like that, you've freed up space on your iPhone. If you don't believe me, just check your storage on the Cleaner app's home screen.
And that's all for today. Again, link for the app is in the description below. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more excellent iPhone tutorials like this one.